Storycamp is a one-day conference for children's librarians around the state of Georgia and set up like a summer camp for children's librarians. The specific training sessions that we chose for Storycamp were really based on reintroducing traditional children's librarian skill sets that they probably have not had experience with, to give them an opportunity to get their feet wet so they could see what it's like and kind of take away that fear factor and give them some confidence so that they could do some of these things and to get them to think outside of the box and do things a little bit differently. People really loved it. They loved being able to have had the opportunity to build a network of other children's librarians where they knew if they needed to come up with an idea, they needed resources, that they weren't alone, that they could connect to all these other folks around the state.